Ew, woo, welcome to the international house of the House of Pancakes. Yeah, we are at High Hop. Woo, look at this, loads of pancakes. Look at that, very nice. Oh, look at this, we got some griddles. Ooh, woo. Look at, ooh, we got some IHOP creations. Hold on. We got a combo. Ooh, sexy. Omelettes. Ooh. And look. We got sandwiches, milkshakes, and the ultimate steak burgers. And some entrees. And here's the menu. Ew, woo. Look at all of this. Ew, woo. Wow. That's a funny face from the kids menu. Look at that.
I want to share it with you. Sige, we will wait. There's your burger.
Ew, woo. Look at this. This is the breakfast brunch burger. Hello people, today we are currently at the Hoover Dam location. Wow, big dam, it's very thick, it is damn thick. Ooh, look at that, it's a big reach, and look at that, it's a damn thick dam. This, some weird stuff. Ooh, wow, look at this. Look at this, there's some history. See, it's nice and hot that we have a cooling station, guys. Ew. Wait, look at this, it's so big. Ew. Ew. Look at that. See the water, and you can see there's a distinct line of where the water used to be. As you can see, we are right near Arizona. Arizona's just over there. Look at that exhibit. What? You can post a picture if you want to read it, you know. Wow, look at that. It's in commemoration of the people who built this dam.